Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the VLOOKUP formula. This powerful Excel function helps you find specific information within large datasets. You provide a lookup value, and VLOOKUP searches the first column of a specified table range. Once it finds a match, it returns a corresponding value from a different column in the same row. It's perfect for tasks like matching product ID to prices or names to departments. Let's break down the four arguments. First, the lookup value is the item you're searching for. Second, the table array is the entire data range where VLOOKUP will search. Third, the column index number tells Excel which column, counting from the left of your table array, contains the data you want to retrieve. Finally, range lookup specifies whether you need an exact match or an approximate one. For most common scenarios, you'll want an exact match, indicated by false or 0 in the range lookup argument. This ensures VLOOKUP finds only identical values. An approximate match, using true or 1, is useful for things like tax brackets or grading scales. Remember, your lookup value must always be in the very first column of your selected table array for VLOOKUP to function correctly. A common issue is the #n/a error, often caused by mismatched data types or the lookup value not existing. Ensure your lookup column is sorted ascending for approximate matches. Always use absolute references, like $signs, for your table array to prevent it from shifting when you copy the formula. For more advanced lookups, consider exploring the XLOOKUP function, which offers greater flexibility than VLOOKUP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.